material that I need for this thing is you need headband, bias binding, cream color because I want to make cream color fascinator, then scissors, ash wire, then crown or mole for this satellite fascinator that I want to make. You need this one. I bought white because I couldn't lay my hand on the cream color that I want, and this is cream color net because I want to make cream color fascinator. And these are the feather. I bought 2. You may buy more than 2 because I want to use 2. That's why I bought 2. And this is the glue that I want to use for it. I want to make use of this UHU glue. There are other glues that I prefer this one, and this is gum wax. Gum wax, and for this gum wax you will need wax gun rather. But I do not have for I couldn't find my gun, so I will use lighter or matches for my own. And this is bead to embellish it. If you want it to be embellished, you can use anything. And this is bead. I may use it, I may not use it until when I finish this. Let me keep that one aside and let me begin the business of the heart making. I want to set all these things aside, and this is the lining that I will need for it. I've already cut it down the size that I want, and I cut 2 pieces because I will need one for the lining because I have white mold instead of cream color, so I will use cream color lining to cover it so that it will bring out the color that I want. And you can see now that it has brought out the cream color that I needed. So the other lining, I use that one to cover the inside because I cannot just leave it like that since it is white. And you may use black to cover your own inside. So you can see the way I'm doing it. I cover it with cream color lining now. That is how you are going to fold it round. Before then, you cover it with your cream net. You lay the 2 on each other. Let the correct face. Let it face you. Then you pin it down to hold it so that it will not be moving up and down when you are fixing with the mold. Just make sure you pin it down, then cover your mold with it. Then pin it down with the mold to hold it down for easy gumming. So just pin it down like that. Make sure you are checking at the back so that the back will not fold inside. You can see that I've already finished pinning it down. Then you cut the excess out. The excess, you have to cut it out. Cut it out. Because if you leave it, it will not look nice after fixing the inside net. So when you know that you have already cut it down and you have gotten the correct shape that you want for that mold, you now be removing the pin one by one and gum it down. You can make use of your wax gum here, but I decided to use this one so that it will be neater. Because this one will make it neat. And as you are applying the gum, allow it to rest for some seconds before you use your hand to press it down. You open it up a little bit, apply your gum, and allow it to dry for maybe 2 seconds or 3. And make sure you are checking the back so that it will not fold inside. The lining must not fold inside. It's supposed to be smooth. So as you are applying the gum, you are pressing it to hold it down. Check the back if it is not folding inside. So this is how you are going to gum it down round. And as you are gumming it, make sure you are pulling it so that it will give you that round edges that the mold needed. the round edges that you needed for that your mold to bring out the round shape. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like and share. So thank you. You see now that I've already finished the gumming it down. You can see the back now. It looks nice. It's neat. So you press it down, remove all the dirt that is there. Make sure you allow your work to be neat. Then I want to set this one aside now. You can now see that the color matches to each other now. So I am setting it aside. So this is the net that I want to use for the brim. So you check your net. So the right side is facing down. And before that, you measure your wire. Me, I'm using 56 inches of this wire. Your own may be longer than that. It may even be shorter, as you like it. But I'm using 56 inches. So this is where we make use of our paper tape, the marking tape. You use it to hold it together. You can use paper tape, you can use thread, tailor thread to tie it, or you use this paper tape to hold it together. And as you are holding it, make sure you are pressing it down. So you pull it and press it down. Pull it, press it down, roll it together again, roll it all over the heart wire. Do not allow it to be too big, so that the brass band you want to use will be able to go round. Don't let it be bigger than the brass band that you want to use. So now cut the excess off. So the shape of our heart wire is now ready. And don't forget, I use 56 inches of heart wire. So now time to roll it with the brass binding. You apply your gum. I'm making use of UHU gum. You apply it on the brass binding on the wrong side. Where the brass binding is folded into two, you apply it on the both sides. Apply it and make sure you allow it to rest for about 2 or 3 seconds, some seconds, so that it will be able to gum together well. Then you fold it round. Fold it round. And make sure you wash your hand. Don't let the gum stay your hand too much, so that it will not mess up your work. Fold it round. As you apply your gum, you continue to fold this round. You can see I'm almost done with this one. Just continue to fold this round. Continue to fold it, apply your gum and fold it round. Do not forget to subscribe, like and share. So the folding is done now. Then you arrange it. I mean the brass binding to face inside. You press it down to face inside. And if you see anywhere that it is not gumming well, you regum it again. Gum it together. And so the brim is ready now. So we now bring out our net and make sure you check the net, check the wrong side and the right side. Make sure that the wrong side is facing you. Let the right side be under. And that's the right side. So You now put the brim, the heart wire in the middle. Put it in the middle and then gather it together in the middle. You bring it from this side, gather it together. Gather it together. So you continue to gather that the net. So gather the net together. Fold this. Let it be tight. The tighter you are gathering it, it will bring out the shape. And do not forget to subscribe, as I'm coming to the end of this the part 1 of this video. The second part will come up in my second video, the next video. So subscribe. There will be a button under the video. Help me to click on it so that we'll be able to get the second part of this video. So you can see now, as you gather it, then you tie it round with the tailor's thread. I use 4 strands of thread here. You may decide to use more than that. Just make sure you use the strands of thread and the thread that you know that when you pull it, it will not cut. So you tie it very well. Then you use your needle to hold it down, to hold it tight, so that it will not loose up. So that's just it. And do not forget to press on the button under so that you'll be able to get my next video, the conclusion part of this video. So this is it. So we're almost getting to the end of this one. So after you have tightened it very well, then you now tie the rope. Then you cut it off. You can see that it has now bring out the shape that I want. The shape that I want for this satellite fascinator as. Then you cut the excess off. So after cutting the excess off, the next is now to add the crown or the mold. So with this, we have come to the end of the part 1 of this video. Click on the link below for the second part of this video. Thank you for